Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a simple t-shirt logo design. So as you can see to my computer, this is the recap from the Google and also that one from the Google. So in this moment, the Google is the master. The store is many things. So we can free get this one. So number two, just I will try to show you how to clean and modern and fantastic design for the t-shirt. So number two, just I will start. Let's begin today. So first of all, I need to select all the things for here and little bit smaller and keep to the counter side. Okay, I'm just covering over here. So what we need. So we need first of all we need to do over here, go over here and see so many tools over here. But I need just ellipse tool. I click over here and I drag here to the center. You see to the center is indicating this is the center. This is the facility of Adobe Illustrator. So it's so fantastic and very cool. So by pressing Shift and Alt key, I'm just dragging like that at the center. You see, this is done. So what we need to do, we need just to none to the fill color, and I need the stroke color. So what when we need the stroke color, just needed the red color. Okay, so a little bit bigger, now a little bit bigger, like that. I think 15. This is correct. That's fine. So what we need to just to like that. Okay, I will take this one and later on. Just need to go to the over here, use the line segment tool over here, and I need to now just to take this one and go to the over here. And I think I need drag like that, like that. Okay, so that's fine. I think fantastic. And I need to just to copy all the things and just turn over like that. Exactly what I needed. Okay, so I need to just select all the things and go to the center and go over here like that. Just put a center. So all the things I need to go to the object and go over here to expand and make it okay. And I need again go over here and go to the object expand. Okay, again another need to expand and press OK, enter. So that's done, almost done. So I need to now go to the over here, just Pathfinder. If you do not have the Pathfinder, go to the Windows and you see the Shift Control or F9. It will be a pop. So this is fantastic. So go to the over here to the Pathfinder and you got it to the minus. You see how magic this is. Actually, call it this magic. The Illustrator Designer. So I'm gonna here now again go to the which one? Just I think change the stroke color. It will be more better so that it is no, I need to change this color. Actually, I think yes, turn over, and I think it's done or not. I think no, not. Okay, so I think over here like that, or yes, it's okay. I think it's okay, but I think here is select not like that. Oh, I need to change the color like that. Okay. Or I needed this and the color like that. No, I need red color. Okay, that's fantastic. So that's fine. Okay, over here. Now just select these things. Okay, so it's maybe okay. And it's just to pick up on it. Yes, to pick up this one over here. Okay, I need it just a little bit smaller over here. And I think a little bit bigger. Then a little bit bigger. Yes, that change the color. I think it's it's bigger. A little bit, maybe not like that. It's smaller. I think that's fine. And you see the fantastic. It's looking very nice. So it's done, and I just put over here to the center. It's a bigger side here. Yes. Now just to put it over here, and I need it transfer the. I think it's done, and a little bit smaller. I think like that. So I put this one into the center. Yes, that's fantastic. That's cool. I think that's cool and over good. So I think a little bit bigger. It's well cool. You see, with that is no difference between this good design. So I will cut this one. I will keep this one. So that's all, dear friends. So if you have a comments and other things, just comments in the below. Thanks for watching.